Look at. We're on the way up here to the Gap Fest 2022. Get this man on here, man. I ain't know that it accidentally pressed mine. Ooh, that's too shaky. Tighten it up. Tighten up, bro. Look down, look down. Yeah, I need to make me a more stable mountain. Yeah, we head to the Gap Fest right now. Headed to the Gap Fest. We're gonna pass up XRP. Go straight over to the Gap Fest. Over there at the Texas Motorplex. We headed to the Texas Motorplex. Yeah, I want to let y'all come ride with me on the way there. That way when I get there, all y'all are already in the building. Yeah. Rapid transit. Is everybody showing good? Power stroke, look out, Nate. Everything good. Don't meet me there, beat me there. Man, I wish I had. Let me see something. Yeah, I'm going to XRP later on. At least that's the play. That's the plan. Man, I'm trying to figure out what's making that. Look good. Like it's shaky. I'm like, what the hell is shaky today? Found me a speeder. Found me somebody in speed. Finna ride behind him and let the police clock him first. Yeah, that's my method. Yeah, I'm in the caprice. Behind this good AC, the police AC, y'all. So behind this old police AC. Oh shit. I brought some cars with me, I refilled it up right before I left. Got my car refilled. I think that's this too loose, man. I need to figure out how to tighten that part up. How you tighten it up? Man, where my speeder go? The police. that real street car stuff I be talking about. There go XRP right there. Oh, that might be going down over there. Get us a little action down this way first. Get us a little action over here. Got that AC on ice water. AC on so cold. It's on. About slowed it down, I done slowed it down. I'm gonna try to see what this mount do. Try this other mount real quick. Try this other mount real quick. Try the mount real quick. Let me, oh, that ain't working right. What the hell? Oh, that ain't working. That ain't. Damn, y'all, I gotta use the other one. My bad. Hold on. Let me try this mount real quick. Real quick. Hey. Let me try this mount real quick. Trying to use this mount real quick. Hey. Alright, one more time. Alright. Feel like we got some action. Action! Action!